Hi guys, it's Shay. I just wanted to do a quick rundown of our project, what it was. So I thought to myself, since we're in a pandemic and people can't really go outside and go to museums and stuff, what if we just do like a virtual museum of Hawaii's endemic species? And here we just selected two of them, and we went with the kind of like draw my life kind of type of video to explain like the species, and just use some pictures from the internet to explain what we're doing, and that's basically it. Here's our project, and our target audience is maybe people that frequently want to go to the museum or want to learn about Hawaii's endemic species. Again, it's more like a virtual tour, virtual thing, and yeah. Belonging to the Eupithecia genus, the ambush caterpillar is usually around 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch long. Observed to be endemic to the islands of Kauai, Oahu, Maui, Lanai, and Big Island, at least 6 of Hawaii's described Eupithecia species are carnivorous, with 2 only feeding on plant material. Of these 6, common carnivorous caterpillars belong to the following. Around the world, the Eupithecia caterpillar usually eats leaves and pollen for food. They are more inclined to consume the pollen though, due to the high protein inside. Here on the island though, the caterpillar has evolved to use its extra strong jaws to munch down on insects. With the lack of insect-eating predators and the island's extreme isolation, scientists have concluded that the caterpillar switched diets due to so many bugs being around that it was just another source of protein for them. Known to the island since 1881, the little Hawaiian caterpillar has seemed to be harmless and vegan. It wasn't until 1972 where biologist Stephen Montgomery observed one eating a fly. Curious, he brought one back to his lab where he placed it in an enclosure of leaves. For over 2 days, the caterpillar didn't consume any of the leaves. Stephen then decided to place a fly into the enclosure, and lo and behold, the fly was consumed. He is later credited to be one of the founders of the Hawaiian Carnivorous caterpillar. Seen on leaves and tree branches, the caterpillar patiently waits for its next meal. The caterpillar has sensory bristles on their rear setae and are extremely sensitive to touch. Insects would come along and touch the bristles. The caterpillar would instantly snap back and grab its prey with its 6 sharp thoracic legs at its front. Other species of carnivorous caterpillars on the island are seen to be eating snails by wrapping its victim in silk. The carnivorous caterpillar is seen to be eating flies, cockroaches, crickets, moths, ants, mosquitoes, wasps, leafhoppers, and even sometimes spiders. If it's small enough to be held by the caterpillar, then it's probably food.
Aloha mai kako. This video is a Draw My Life video dedicated to endemic species of Hawaii. This video will focus on Metrocidros polymorpha, also known as Ohia Lehua. Since Ohia Lehua is endemic to the Hawaiian Islands, it cannot be found anywhere else in the world except for on these main Hawaiian islands. Ohia Lehua can be found in a variety of ecosystems from sea level to summit. It can be found in dry and wetland forests, cliffs, shrublands, bogs, and lava flats. Ohia Lehua is a pioneer species, which means it is one of the first species to colonize a habitat after experiencing a disturbance. There are many varieties of this species. Changes in temperature, precipitation, and elevation result in changes in the plant's morphology. Ohia can be grown as a tall tree or as a small shrub. Ohia flowers resemble pom-poms, and they can be red, orange, and yellow in color. Ohi'a has economic, ecological, and cultural significance to Hawaii. Traditional uses of Ohi'a are to build houses, kapa beaters, poi boards, tools, instruments, and lei making. A mixture of Ohi'a flowers, water, and the inner bark of the hau plant was given to women as a tea to drink during labor. Ohi'a is also the kino lau of many Hawaiian gods. Ohi'a also serves as a habitat and food source for many native birds. Modern uses are using the wood for flooring and furniture. In 2010, in the Puna district of Hawaii, people noticed a significant increase in dying Ohi'a trees. At the time, people did not know what caused the tree deaths or how to prevent future trees from dying. 2 species of fungi are now identified to cause rapid Ohi'a death: Ceratocystis luku Ohi'a and Ceratocystis huli Ohi'a. Ceratocystis luku Ohi'a is considered more aggressive and common than Ceratocystis huli Ohi'a. Common signs of rapid Ohi'a death are dead leaves and a discoloration in the sapwood of the tree. Beetles, pigs, goats, wind, humans, and moving lumber from one island to another all help spread the fungus. Rapid Ohi'a death is a threat to native biodiversity and could result in invasive species replacing native ones.